Okay, new things. So, for the most part, you did well in the video, but unfortunately, I kept hearing extra pick notes or picking strokes, pick notes, 16th notes. Extra things kept creeping in there, and I can only assume you didn't catch it because you kept playing. So, now that you've had a lot of work with this kind of rhythm, let's go back to how we would normally do things for the most part. For the most part. What's different? So, we just got the two new things, and it does say at the top. Ooh, well, it did say what I wanted it to at the top. Hang on. Okay, so right now it says 10 minutes. Can't see it on the screen right now. We're going to spend 15 minutes working this up as fast as you can. And then after the 15, we add in those repeats, working towards the 4 repetitions. So, and we don't want to spend more than 20 minutes on this a piece, okay? But here's the thing. We're starting at 50. 50. And this is what I want you to do. Starting at 50, you're going to go up in 2 beat per minute increments. Not 5, 2. So, as usual, any doubts if it sounds correct or not, assume it's not right, and just try it again. So, work it up, both of these, no repetitions at first. So, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, and so on. And either you reach 15 minutes and then you start adding in the repeats, or you max out in less than 15 minutes, back off the speed, add in the repeats. Either way, that's what we want. And yes, working up to the 4 repetitions, and to make sure not spending too much time on any, like trying to play it twice or 3 times, whatnot. Give it 3 good attempts, and if you cannot get the repeat in after 3 good attempts, drop the metronome by 10. And just keep doing that until you finally get it. If you get all the way back down to 50, well, just stay there and get the repetitions in. But I don't think that's going to be the case. But yeah, 3 good attempts is usually, that's basically what I give myself doing something like this. And after 3 good attempts, if you don't get it, most likely it's just too fast and you need to back it down. So, keep that in mind, because I don't want you to spend like 5 minutes trying to get in like the 2 repetitions or even the 3 repetitions. So, because it shouldn't take that long. Because if it is taking that long to get it, then that to me that means it's too fast. We need to slow it down a bit. So anyway, hopefully all that makes sense. So once again, you're going to start at 50, work this up in 2 beat per minute increments without the repeat, and then after 15 minutes, add in the repetitions, working up to 4, or max out in less than 15 minutes, add in those repetitions. Okay, so the drums are there, but I'm going to just play with the metronome like I usually do at 50 to start. Number 1, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and a 2 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 50. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, number 2. But yeah, I wanted to go back to the shorter stuff to work up. Partly because I think maybe when you were working on the latest thing, maybe it was too long, and because there's so much room for error, you missed the stuff that happened. So felt like throwing that in there in case you're wondering, why do we go back to this? I think it'll be helpful. All right, 50 beats per minute. Number 2. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a... that was wrong. 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E, a 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 1E, a 2E, a 3E, a 4E 100. 1, 2, 3, 4 E. $150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about getting up to the 150. It's not a necessity. I want you to just get up where you can. Another reason why I want to go back to this, because if 120 is too fast, then we shouldn't be working on that. I want you to just get where you can, keep it under control, and let's say we do something like this again, or at the previous thing, where you had like the really long thing to get up to a certain speed. If we do something like that again and I give you a speed to shoot for, if it feels like it's too much, that's okay. I always want you to stay in the realm of control. Pushing it, for sure. Get it as fast as you can while remaining accurate. Because we're not going to get better without pushing ourselves. That's just how it goes, right? But we need to do it within control. And yeah. So just get where you can with it. If and when we do a long thing, an etude type approach, as we did this past week, in the past couple weeks, yeah, if you can't hit the speed we're talking about, that's fine. Just get where you can, stay there. I would always prefer it if you just keep it where you can control it versus trying to play it in an uncontrolled way. All right. You said you're working on memorizing the scales some more, so just keep at it. No rush on that. I did not... Wait, did you send theory? I'm just going to check real quick. I don't think you did, but maybe you did, and I just missed it. Let's check right now. No. No theory here. Okay. So, if you have anything updated, go ahead and send it over. And there we go. So, any questions, let me know. I will see you again next week.